रख हौसला, वो मंजर भी आएगा। एक दिन प्यासे के पास चलकर समंदर भी आएगा। रख हौसला, वो मंजर भी आएगा। एक दिन प्यासे के पास चलकर समंदर भी आएगा। थक कर ना बैठ ए मंजिल के मुसाफिर, थक कर ना बैठ ए मंजिल के मुसाफिर, तुझे मंजिल भी मिलेगी और मंजिल मिलने का मजा भी आएगा। वे लोग जिनमें अकेले चलने के हौसले होते हैं, वे लोग जिनमें अकेले चलने के हौसले होते हैं, एक दिन उन्हीं के पीछे कई कई काफिले होते हैं। एक दिन उन्हीं के पीछे कई कई काफिले होते हैं। अपने हौसलों के बल पर हम अपनी प्रतिभा दिखा देंगे। अपने हौसलों के बल पर हम अपनी प्रतिभा दिखा देंगे। चाहे कोई मंच दे या ना दे हमको, हम खुद अपना मंच बना लेंगे। जो कहते खुद को सितारे हैं, जो कहते खुद को चांद हैं, जगमगाकर उनके सामने हम चमक कर देंगे उनकी फीकी और खुद को सूरज बना लेंगे, और खुद को सूरज बना लेंगे। Many many blessings to all my go-getting from hand full of beans, alive and well, high-spirited, dazzling students. In this world full of rat race and dog-eat-dog situations, the students have an immeasurable stress for scoring maximum marks, comparing with other fellow children. This stress produces negative effects and also affects the child's memory. Due to this, topics, chapters, subjects prepared in the past are forgotten easily. Apart from this, their health is adversely affected. In order to heart-to-heart interact with students like clockwork, the students ask me a few questions related to the fear of examination. Why do they have exam fear or exam fever? Why do they have testophobia or examinophobia? How can they get rid of the fear of examination? The students say that they have an immense pressure to excel in every examination, whether it is home examination or board examination or competitive examination. Even some students have a fear of failure before having failed. My ever-loving students, if I talk about exam fear, at first I'll explain you what is fear. According to me, fear is about something that doesn't exist right now. Fear is an excessive imagination of uncertainty about future. Fear is an experience in which we see, hear, feel, smell something that doesn't exist. Fear is an unpleasant emotional state triggered by the perception of danger, real or imagined. Dear students, if you hour after hour become excessively a bundle of nerves before an important examination or during an important examination, then you may have testophobia. It is mostly called examinophobia or exam fever or exam fear. It is a very common life event among students, especially when an important examination is at their doorstep. My adoring students, I would like to tell you, first and foremost, hold this thought: this examination is not your life. Your life is extremely precious than this examination. Look back. If you have passed your previous class examination, needless to say that you will definitely pass this examination too. There are so many examples in the world. People who failed in their classes, people who failed in their home examination or board examination or competitive examination, but they excelled in every sphere of life and reached the pinnacle of accomplishment. They became multi-billionaire businessmen, famed politician, adventurous and skillful sportsperson, actors in the public eye, melodious singers, prodigious innovators, illustrious leaders of the country. So the apples of my eye, my cherished students, remove this benchmark from your mind and heart. I am an average student. Drop this subject. I can't do it. You can do it. You can go the extra mile. You can go to great lengths. You can pull out all your stops. You can move heaven and earth. Learn to use yourself in the best possible way. To be conscious that two people can never have the same functional skills. Somebody may be backbencher in the school. Somebody may be at a snail's pace in the class. But he or she must be front bencher in all facets of life. But he or she must be a guiding spirit in every walk of life. Every life in creation, from worm, insect, bird, animal, even plant and tree, all are striving to their best. So you are also here for blossom to the fullest human being. I call my shot. The students appearing in the forthcoming board examination should prepare their entire syllabus under the skillful mentoring of their teachers. Make a team of 5 or 6 students who are good in different subjects, and each child should share knowledge about his or her subject with other members of this team completely free. And the teacher should encourage and help this team. I think and believe this team will definitely have the solutions of all subjects related difficulties. At last but not the least, I urge to all my determined students, always enhance the horizon of your life. Be as pure as the snow of the Himalayas. Be as bright as sunlight. Be as huge as the sky. Be all-pervading as the ether. Be unfathomable as the ocean. Be as cool as the water of the Ganges. I extend my extreme gratefulness for listening me carefully. I pray the Almighty that He may bless you with divine happiness and roaring success. Thank you very much. God bless you.